Hi, my name is Sanjog Sinnarkar. This is an introduction to the head and figure drawing course. In this course, I'll be creating videos which will cover the head and figure drawing from basic to an advanced level. If you want to understand the concepts and draw like a professional artist, then this drawing course is just for you. In the videos, I'll share all the tips and techniques as well as demonstrate each and every step involved in this process. These videos are for all who love the art as I do, be it an amateur, beginner, students or artists. The course is divided into sections and each section will further have subsections. Each section will be explained thoroughly with appropriate examples, reference materials, models, demonstrations and assignments. The course consists of the basic drawing or the foundation, drawing the geometric shapes using plaster casts, introduction to values and different rendering styles, still life, that is man-made, still life, nature, cast drawing of features, drawing the head cast of male and female, anatomy of the skull, the structure beneath, that is the skeleton, and figure, drawing the muscles of head and figure. I shall also show you the drawings of my school, college and sketchbooks. These might inspire and motivate you. It would also give you an idea how I have developed my art. Hope you all are excited for this course to begin as I am. There is a lot more stuff to come, so stay tuned and do subscribe to my channel so that you don't miss any videos, updates and news. Till then, bye and thank you.